Hello friends. If you are looking for business opportunity, your search is over now. Today we are presenting a unique business opportunity in which if you work for 6 to 8 months, you can earn more than 1 lakh rupees per month. Yes, it's true. Today we are going to see Winway business opportunity. Winway is trade name of the company WDW Ecom Services Private Limited, a company incorporated in the year 2018 under the Companies Act 2013 and also registered direct selling company with Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. Company has well experienced management team, quality products and unique compensation plan. Let us discuss one by one. Company profile. Company is working successfully from the year 2018 and registered as a startup company. It is also registered as MSME company with Government of India. Mr. Ulhas Patil, working as the chairman, has more than 10 years of experience in the field of direct selling industry and founder and chief editor of weekly news magazine for retired army personnel known as Fauji Vishesh. Mr. Chidananda Mahaldar, working as the managing director, has more than 10 years of experience in the field of direct selling industry. He is also well-known name in non-banking financial sector. Mr. Rushikesh Paricharak, working as the director, has more than 10 years of experience in the field of direct selling industry. He has huge experience in the retail sector and supply chain management. Mr. Bharat Handipur, working as the Chief Executive Officer, has more than 20 years of experience in the field of direct selling industry. He is author of the book Network Marketing Roadmap to Success. He is also known as business coach, speaker, film producer and founder of the Mastermind Education System. Along with well-experienced management team, Winway company provides skill and personality development training through its own education and support system. Products. Winway company is committed to provide quality products to its customers with affordable rates. At present, company has more than 25 products ranging from various product categories like lifestyle, home care, personal care, health care and FMCG. Company is in planning to introduce more than 100 plus new products by the year 2020. All products are provided at low prices compared to other direct selling companies and traditional market. All products also come with buy-back guarantee. Let's have a look on comparison chart of Winway products with other direct selling companies and traditional market products. Compensation plan. Now let's have a look on the sales and marketing plan of the Winway company. Winway compensation plan is based on the 2 legs pay plan system and mixture of binary and generation payout system. Compensation plan is based on the BV, business volume, and RP, repurchase points for its payment calculations. Company offers 10 types of incomes in the compensation plan. Let's see one by one. Retail profit. As a direct seller of the company, you get all the products on discount price, which you can sell on MRP to customers and can earn retail profit by doing so. Retail profit offered is up to 40%. Referral incentive. One can refer unlimited customers to this opportunity and can earn referral incentive. Referral incentive 0.5 BV rupees 250, 1 BV rupees 500, 1.5 BV rupees 750, 2 BV rupees 1000. Group turnover bonus. Total sales BV from each side will be accumulated and lower side BV will match with higher side BV and group turnover bonus is distributed on the matched BV. For example, if any direct seller match 1 BV, he will earn rupees 1000 as group turnover bonus. Performance bonus. Total sales RP from each side will be accumulated and lower side RP will match with higher side RP and paid as performance bonus on the matched RP. Company distributes 10% of the matched RP as performance bonus. For example, if you match 50,000 RP on left and 50,000 RP on right, in this case, you will earn rupees 5,000 as a commission. Development bonus. When any direct seller completes 25,000 RP on accumulation basis on each side, he will be qualified to get development bonus. Company distributes 10% of repurchase turnover of the month amongst all the qualifiers. Tour fund. When any direct seller completes 1 lakh RP on accumulation basis on each side, he will be qualified to get tour fund. Company distributes 3% of repurchase turnover of the month amongst all the qualifiers. Car fund. When any direct seller completes 2 lakh RP on accumulation basis on each side, he will be qualified to get car fund. Company distributes 2.5% of repurchase turnover of the month amongst all the qualifiers. House fund. When any direct seller completes 3 lakh RP on accumulation basis on each side, he will be qualified to get house fund. Company distributes 2.5% of repurchase turnover of the month amongst all the qualifiers. Sponsorship bonus. Winway direct seller will get 10% sponsorship bonus on the income earned by the direct sellers he has personally sponsored. Rewards and recognition. Star Executive, Silver Star Executive, Gold Star Executive, Platinum Star Executive, Pearl Star Executive, Ruby Star Executive, Emerald Star Executive, Diamond Star Executive, Double Diamond Star Executive, Triple Diamond Star Executive, Crown Diamond Star Executive, and Crown Ambassador Star Executive. Winway Company recognizes its achievers time to time in recognition and award seminar and its magazine Star Galaxy. You don't have to do any extraordinary work to achieve these incomes of Winway. You have to do 2 things: become a regular user of the Winway products and introduce at least 2 customers who will also do the same and ask them to do the same. As customers in your team will increase, sales volume will also increase, which will increase your payouts automatically. Isn't it simple? Use Winway products, save money, share your experience with others, and start to earn dreams into reality day by day. Winway is ethical direct selling opportunity which can be done full-time or part-time by everyone who wants to grow own business without any investment and risk and want to become entrepreneur. This opportunity is designed in such a way that you can not only achieve your own dreams but also help others to achieve their dreams. So, what you are waiting for? Contact the person who shared this video to you. Start your journey towards success. Thank you.